Today we will learn how to share Google Drive folders. To begin, open up your Google Drive on your PC. At the top of the screen here, you click on Folders. Now, this is where all your folders are being listed. So, you click on the three dots beside the folder you want to share, or you place your cursor to the folder and you right click. Then you select the share option. From here, you can add people, groups, and calendar events. So you type in the contact or the email you want to share your folder with. Once that is done, you grant permission by clicking on the drop down arrow on restricted. Then you select anyone with a link. You can either choose to copy the link or you click on the done button, and that is how you successfully share your Google Drive folder. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.